Choosing the right running watch can be a little like choosing the right shoes. They should feel good, probably look good, and get you closer to your goals. Whether you want something sporty, stylish, or rugged, you're likely to find something that suits you by the end of this video. All of the smartwatches from this lineup have the following: built-in GPS and a wrist-based heart rate sensor, smart notifications and other connected features, a variety of training and workout options, and battery life estimations that are often counted in days rather than in hours. We'll kick things off with the Forerunner family, trusted by runners for more than 2 decades. The Forerunner 165 is an entry-level smartwatch available with or without onboard music storage. With the music models, you can load your favorite tunes directly to your watch and leave your phone at home. Designed with an AMOLED touchscreen display and traditional button controls, easily navigate the variety of glances, activity profiles, and training options at your fingertips. The Forerunner 570 is an advanced running and triathlon smartwatch that comes in 2 sizes with onboard music capabilities. Numerous fitness and training insights can help you better understand your performance and effort, including measurements like training status and training readiness. You'll gain more benefits from the likes of Garmin Coach training plans and race day enhancements. Oh, and did I mention there's a built-in speaker and microphone so you can make and take calls directly from your wrist. The Forerunner 970 is a premium running and triathlon smartwatch with everything found in the 570 plus more. For the first time in Forerunner history, you'll find a sapphire lens atop the bright AMOLED display and a built-in LED flashlight. Built-in mapping provides guidance and navigation with tools like dynamic round-trip routing. You'll also find a few new performance and running dynamic measurements such as running tolerance, running economy, and more. vívoactive and Venu are a collection of health and fitness watches that radiate a more classic smartwatch look that's both sleek and stylish. In addition to running, both vívoactive 6 and Venu 3 are loaded with more than 80 activity profiles that can keep you moving. Continue to stay dialed in with the likes of running dynamics, animated on-screen workouts, and Garmin Coach training plans to help you step into your best life. Between these two, for a more premium and high-end finish, you'll want the Venu 3 smartwatch, though either option can more than satisfy entry-level to intermediate runners. The new Venu X1 combines a unique and practical style with advanced health and fitness features. Reach the peak of your performance with our thinnest smartwatch on our largest display. Stay on course with full-color preloaded maps, train with tools that can help you prepare for the next race, and get convenient illumination when you need it from the built-in LED flashlight. Now, if your love for running is equal to your love for roughing it in the outdoors, you may be interested in one of these adventure watches. Both Instinct 3 and fēnix 8 offer something more rugged with their own remarkable design. Choose from a variety of colors and sizes, as well as your choice between an AMOLED or solar-charged MIP display. Either one comes with numerous performance and training options, including running dynamics, training effect, and daily suggested workouts. However, fēnix 8 then continues to take things up a notch with things like a sapphire lens and built-in full-color mapping. Whichever you choose, trust your instincts to take your running to the next level, or even push your limits further than you thought you'd ever go. All of these smartwatches can do more than what we had time to cover here. For more information on any of these watches or features, be sure to check out some of the other videos on this channel, or head on over to Garmin.com.